Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Ride Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most striking luxury grand tourers of the decade, the 2025 Lexus LC500. If you're looking for a car that perfectly blends high performance, exceptional craftsmanship, and jaw-dropping design, this might just be it. So buckle up as we explore what makes the latest LC500 such a standout. Let's talk about design first. Lexus hasn't reinvented the wheel here, but honestly, they didn't need to. The LC500's signature coupe silhouette remains a masterpiece, with its sculpted lines, aggressive spindle grille, and sleek LED headlights. For 2025, Lexus has introduced a new palette of colors, including a gorgeous iridium silver and deep garnet red, adding a fresh twist to the already bold exterior. The 21-inch forged alloy wheels and carbon fiber roof available on select trims take the styling to the next level, emphasizing its performance pedigree. Under the hood, the LC500 still rocks that glorious 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. It's an engine that's become something of a unicorn in today's world of downsizing and turbocharging. With 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, this engine delivers a symphony of sound every time you hit the throttle. Paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, the LC500 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. And let's not forget, this isn't just about straight-line speed. Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension and steering for 2025, offering even sharper handling and better ride comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's nothing short of artful. Lexus is renowned for its attention to detail, and the LC500 takes that reputation to heart. From hand-stitched leather and Alcantara to intricate metal accents, the cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than a sports car. The 2025 model introduces a refreshed 12.3-inch infotainment display with the latest Lexus interface software. It's faster, more intuitive, and finally includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Mark Levinson audio system upgrade ensures every note of your playlist sounds studio perfect. Of course, the LC500 isn't just about luxury, it's packed with tech and safety features too. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard, bringing enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new predictive collision detection system. These updates ensure peace of mind whether you're carving through canyon roads or cruising on the highway. For those looking to elevate their experience even further, the Inspiration Series returns for 2025. Limited to just 100 units, this exclusive trim adds unique colors, materials, and performance enhancements to create an even more head-turning package. Now, pricing. The 2025 Lexus LC500 starts at around $97,000, with the Inspiration Series and fully loaded models pushing past $115,000. It's a premium price, no doubt, but when you consider the engineering, craftsmanship, and sheer presence of this car, it's clear you're getting a masterpiece in return. So, who is the LC500 for? It's for those who value an emotional connection with their car, who want something that stands out in a world of predictable luxury sedans and SUVs. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Lexus LC500. If you're as captivated by this car as we are, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching Next Ride Review. Until next time, keep chasing the next ride.